How to delete announcement group in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see stepwise tutorial on how we can delete or remove announcement group in WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The WhatsApp announcement groups are a type of one-way communication where only admins can send messages. Regular members can only read messages but cannot reply. So if you want to delete an announcement group, here is what you need to do. If you're admins, all you have to do is navigate towards announcement group. So in order to get to the announcement group, you can simply tap on the communities option from this space at the bottom of the interface. Once you land in the community space, there you can find your announcement group. All you have to do is tap on the announcement group. After that, head towards the top right and tap on the three dot icon. There you will see group info. Click on it or tap on it. And on the next interface, you will see an option as delete group. Simply tap on it. And with that, the group will be deleted. But if you are a regular member, and if you want to delete the group, you have to remove the group from your WhatsApp. So for that, you have to open up the group chat, tap on the group name at the top or simply tap on the three dot and go to the group info. Scroll down and tap on exit group. After exiting, you will see an option delete group. Simply tap on it. And that's how you can delete or remove the announcement group in WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.